Hello guys, good evening everyone. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Anyway, before I go to sleep, I just want to ask, how is your whole day today? How are you everyone? I hope we are always in good health, out of danger, and we're not encounter big problem. Anyway, the problem is part of our life journey. And I hope everybody is okay. And don't forget to take good care of ourselves, especially to those who is in 14 above. While we grow, we are in a middle age, our body will be, the internal organ became weak, and the sickness, any kind of sickness came out when we are 14 above. Like me, my eyes is the first one damaged. And then next I got because of too much stress at work, I got a hypertension. And then this year I have abnormality with my heartbeat, palpitate. My heartbeat is a palpitate. That is why I have regular checkup for my cardiology every 2 months. My last checkup is September, October, November. I go back this month, but my insurance not covered anymore. My doctor and my medicine, because my limit for my insurance is already used. When I go back, I need to pay from my own pocket, my own money. That is why I need to watch out my diet, and I have time, I need to set time to exercise, and limit the carb, the oily and salty food, because if we want to live long, we need to take good care of our health. Remember, health is wealth. Even if you are rich, if you're gonna get sick, all your money will go to doctor expenses, like medicine, pay for the doctor, and it will the medicine is expensive, hospitalization is so expensive. That is why we need to watch out our diet and exercise. Me, I love to walk beside the beach, but the problem is I've been busy lately since month of August because of training. But sometimes now I'm always absent with my training. If I'm lazy to duty for my training, I want to relax and have fun outside. That's all guys. Anyway, I just want to say have a good night's sleep. See you tomorrow, and bye bye. I love you all and I miss you all. Bye bye.